you purchased a shoe last, but you don't like the shape of this last. The last is too long, or maybe you have wide feet and your shoe last is very narrow. So what you can do? In bespoke shoemaking, there are different shoemaking techniques on how you can fix all these problems. So let's watch the video where I will show you these shoemaking approaches. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below the video. In bespoke shoemaking, it's very important to have very comfortable shoes, and that's why shoemakers customized shoe lasts according to the feet measurements. Now, if you have narrow shoe lasts or you have shoe lasts that don't fit your feet perfectly, you can customize your standard shoe last according to your feet measurements working with vegetable tan leather. And here you can see an example on how I used this shoe last and customized it according to the feet measurements of my client. And you see the difference between these two lasts.
And now let's see how you can use these shoemaking approaches to change the shape of your last. And using the first shoemaking approach, you can make your shoe last shorter if you have too long shoe last and you don't like it. So to change the shape of your last, you need to measure the length of your last, then make a pattern of the insole, the pattern of the bottom of your shoe last. Mark on this pattern the new line, the line that you want to create on your shoe last, and then work according to this new line. Working with rasp, you can change it on both pairs of your last to get beautiful shape, the shape that you want to create on your shoe last. Next shoemaking approach is more complicated. Here, working with this approach, you can customize your shoe last. To do that, you need to measure your feet, to take measurements of your shoe lasts in the same places, and then compare these parameters to know how and where you need to enlarge your shoe last or maybe to reduce your shoe last. And if you want to enlarge your shoe last, here you can work with vegetable tan leather. You need to attach pieces of vegetable tan leather on the shoe last in the places where you want to enlarge it. And then, step by step, you will change the shape of your shoe last according to the parameters of your feet. In the next shoemaking approach, we are working with epoxy clay. This is soft material that becomes hard after it dries. So you're working with this material, you can create almost any shape on the toe of your shoe last, working with rasp after it will dry. And the best thing about it is that you can return your shoe last to the original shape if you don't like it anymore. In the next shoemaking approach, you will work with vegetable tan leather to create different toe shape on your shoe last. Working with this material, you can create pointed toe shape on your shoe last. If working with epoxy clay, you could just apply to the toe shape of your shoe last. Working with the leather, you need to create patterns. And this process is a little bit complicated than the previous one, but your shaped shoe last will last longer. That's it. It was a brief introduction of these shoemaking approaches. If you have questions, please comment below the video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.